Right. So 2014 Kia Rio. Purge valve. Pop open this here. Is this right here. This line goes down to the air intake. This line goes back to the canister. Alright, then back here is the canister vent valve and the vapor canister. You guys can see it there. Alright guys, here's the old one. It was leaking fuel and stuff, so make sure you're wearing goggles when you're doing this. Goes onto the bracket, just slides on. There's a little tab on the back side of the bracket. Found it easier, just remove the bolt, pull the whole thing down with the bracket attached to it, and then you just pull up on the little tab right here, slide off, and then you slide your new one on and just reverse the process. You got a hose that goes on here with a hose clamp. Electrical goes right in here. It's just a little tab up top. You just pull it back a little bit and drop the hose or the electrical down. And right here's another hose that will come out with the clamp, and that's it. Then you just reverse the process. Alright guys, got the new one in. Here's the old one. There's the new one right there. It's in there. It's just the two hoses, clamps, and the electrical. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Thanks.